Hey guys, welcome back to home gym content. We're not in the home gym today, but we're here with Big Tanner Paxton from Husker Power Lock. He's going to show you his revolutionary collars that are great for the home gym. Let's check it out.
635 pounds has been loaded to the bar.
So what we have is Husker Power Locks. They're a compression fitting. So where most collars only fit on one style of barbell, ours are almost infinitely tightenable, right? So we have bars that are 2 inches in diameter, and then we have bars that are 1.85 over there. And the collars tighten down, keep the weights on. They have a lifetime warranty. And then we've started coating them with paint and automotive clear coat, so they're like scratch resistant with like a key. And then we took some of our undesirable pieces and we made them into drink spotters for your rack. We got some hats, we got some banners, and we got some coffee. Coach Mo brought some straps and his meat sticks, and we're having a good time.
So how long has this company's been around for quite a while.
40 years. And we purchased in December.
Show us a 40-year-old collar. What does this thing look like after 40 years or somewhere like that?
Yeah, this is the first one they made, and they sent it to the University of Nebraska. And I actually got this one from a gentleman who lifted it from the university in March. And I use it in my gym still. And it's pretty beat up, but it still works just like a new one.
And this one is a brand new one.
And this one's a brand new one.
40 years old, about 40 years old, 30 years old,
yep.
And a brand new one.
And a brand new one.
Tough. Well, we're here with Big Coach Mo. He's the guy that actually turned me on to the Husker Power Lock collars first before I met Big Tanner. And he's got a couple products. We're going to talk about some of his stuff too.
Yeah, so Husker Power Locks, great product. A great American-made product is the beef sticks. It's actually South Dakota beef. It's a real lean, high-quality protein, better than what you're going to get in a gas station or anything like that. And then I kind of come from a weightlifting background, so I also make some custom weightlifting straps. We're a little bit different than your typical powerlifting or strongman straps, where they're shorter and they allow you to get a good grip on the bar, but you're not strapped and tied to that bar. So if you have to dump a snatch or a clean, you can do that and you're not going to get injured. And I just make them custom. Right. And yeah, selling those here at Gym Con. A lot of different colors available.
Love it.
Black, most of them are 1 inch. I've got a few that are 1.5 inch. And all the different colors. Yeah.
And don't forget, we're with Coach Mo, a.k.a. Poor Man Scants.
Poor Man Scants.
Thanks, Coach.
Appreciate it. Thank you.
I've got these in my own gym. You can use them on axle bars, regular barbells. I haven't really found any barbell or specialty bar that I can't use them on. I would highly recommend them. And where can you find them?
HuskerPowerLocks.com or right here at Home Gym Con.
And you can always save money with code CARV.
Yep.
Texas steel bends, but it never breaks. Every heavy pull is another risk I take. Straight cool plates at the floor like thunder. Neighborhood 6 feet under.
No Tennessee forklift.
Doesn't care about your name. Don't care if you win or survive. Fight, drag your soul into the light. Nobody stays or compromise. Mountain sweat, mountain steel.
Heavy loads! Yeah! Horse knocking heavy loads.
Like a prison wall.
Yeah!
Good. fall, Gen X's rage. Every workout writes another page. Phoenix Towers, cable stretched tight. Walrus pulled out feet in the fight. Rack attachments hanging like chains. Every little beat on the veins. That's how we're built. No shortcuts hiding underneath the guilt. Pre-heavy featherweights crushing the doubt.